Hello. Yep. Here goes my lag. I'm playing some booga. Booga. Oh, someone's here. Someone's here. Someone's here. Get over here, Buster. Oh, well, my light. Okay, wait. Let me just turn down my graphics because I don't think I can have really high graphics while making a video. Because my thing sucks. Hello. And obviously we're getting rated. Oh, these guys just. We gotta teach these guys a little. Well, if you stole something, well, now you can die. Free! Got him. Well, I guess it works better. Okay, guys. Welcome to Booga Booga, and today I made a base and I'm playing with some people, some friends. And look how big this tribe is. Only friends of friends and my friends and friends of my friends. And we're in a ravine area, which is chill. If I do make it on the account I want to make it on, then I'm sorry for not posting in 3 years. I don't know, I'm gonna have to do some pausing. God alert! Rip. Don't tell me it bit me. If you guys are able to see my screen, oh, you are. You can see that I died. My friend also died and he's mad. He probably quit Booga Booga. Hey guys, what do you want me to do now? I'm gonna PvP this guy with lag from the video. Nah, I'm not gonna join the blue tribe. E. Boy, I'm gonna kill you in this video. No! You're getting killed by someone. Why would you truce? You're gonna shoot me. I don't care if it's my fault. Oh wait, you have an. That guy was so good. He has an emerald blade. That guy either had an emerald blade or an emerald axe. Oh, this guy's. They're trying to like take the loot. Okay, well I'm just gonna take these, and then you guys can have the rest of the loot. You're gonna see that. Well, if you look in the chat thing, you can see that some people are having some karma real quick. Well, I can't see anything because of this. I'm not joining any flipping tribe. Yeah, oh, I can't be pink tribe. I can't be gray tribe. Oh, someone just gifted me a pink diamond. No, I'm not joining your tribe. No, stop inviting me. Oh, I smacked some. Okay, you're back for revenge, aren't you? You back for revenge, boy? Rip this guy. This guy's about to have a bad time. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna go on the VIP server. Okay, be right back until except I'm on a VIP server. Oh, the VIP server isn't nearly as laggy. Oh, actually, I need to join. Yeah, it's a bit laggy with this high graphics. Not just the automatic. See if that's better. Nope, not very much better. Okay, I'll just go to 3 graphics. Is that better? Yeah, it's a bit better. My movement is still broken. Okay, find one. No! Okay, Buster. Okay, Buster. 1v1 shark! Yeah, that happened. Stupid charger. One v one me, shark boy. No, you got me by. Oh, I'm about to die to a. That moment when you're so bad at booga booga that you lose a 1v1 to a shark. No, not that shark. I'm Buster. I got him. I got him. I am the king. I killed the shark. I am the best. I killed the shark. I'm the best booga booga player by far. I am quote unquote the best booga booga player of all time. Yeah. I am so good at booga booga when I'm recording XD. And I don't want to go on public because if I go on public, then I'm gonna be super laggy again. If I get into I can't really go into an intense fight because I don't know why my recorder's so laggy. I probably need a new one that's not nearly as laggy. Because this recorder kind of sucks. RAR XD. How dare you! That's illegal. Let me guess, my charger disconnected. Nope. Whenever it has that lag spike, it's always the charger. Curse word 5-inch life weight. I don't even know what they're saying. I have the power of making it so I don't die. Not even touching anything. Oh my god, stupid charger. Touching anything. Can this stupid charger go away? Stop! Oh my! Imagine doing that. It's gonna take the 15-minute video just to do this one jump. There we go. We got some flamingo. Okay, sorry for just standing still for 3. Well, I'm not eligible to go to Sun Island. Okay. I wonder what you guys call islands. And I feel like I've been more addicted to Booga Booga whenever it starts dying for some reason. Well, I guess when it dies completely, then there's gonna be barely anyone playing, and then I can just grind. Except I don't, just barely any point of grinding. I have like 3 VIP servers. I already have every single mojo. Oh, whatever. I have every single mojo. And don't really need to farm, you don't even need to farm, I don't know. And plus, my Booga Booga dies completely. That would mean that life would, okay guys, I have to be right back, this is so stupid! I yeet on haters, yeet! Oh yeah, don't you guys hate how well, I guess it's good that they got rid of the duplication glitch. Now people can't just duplicate everything, which is really epic and chilly epic. Well, at least they hope that they got rid of the ability to duplicate. So it's a good thing. I say Rick to all those people that did duplicate. Why are you eating bread? I'm talking to my little brother. Free! You missed. It ain't it. You have to touch me to tag me. Tag. Ah! Tiger it. Tag me. Ah! Me. Okay, it's 14 minutes into the video. You're gonna be. I'm totally not an auto clicker. No. Back. I don't know why anyone would watch my videos, so I don't know why I'm posting any. I'm doing bad stuff for nothing. If anyone does watch this, then good job! You watched the worst channel in the world! Yay! Everyone, bring the confetti! We're making a party! Everyone, now! Okay, well, guys, bye, guys. Outro.